This Euro USD 1-hour Forex chart shows how price moves over time using candlesticks. Each candlestick represents 1 hour of trading. Green candles indicate the price moved upward during that hour, while red candles show the price moved downward. The chart also highlights two important zones: a support level at the bottom, which acts like a floor where the price often bounces upward, and a resistance level at the top, which acts like a ceiling where the price tends to fall back down. The blue curved line is the 20-period simple moving average, also called SMA 20, which smooths out price movement by showing the average price over the last 20 hours. When candles are above the SMA line, the trend is often considered upward, and when candles fall below it, the trend may be shifting downward. Overall, this chart visually explains buyer activity, seller activity, and how price interacts with support, resistance, and the moving average. This Euro USD 1-hour Forex chart is designed to help beginners understand how price movement works. Each candlestick represents 1 hour of trading. Green candles show that the price moved upward during that hour, while red candles show that the price moved downward. At the top of the chart, the resistance level acts like a ceiling, where the price often stops rising and starts to fall. At the bottom, the support level works like a floor, where the price often stops falling and begins to bounce up. The purple dashed line represents the 20-period simple moving average, which smooths out price fluctuations by showing the average price over the last 20 hours. When the moving average curves upward, it suggests an uptrend, and when it curves downward, it indicates a possible downtrend. Together, the candles, the support and resistance levels, and the moving average help traders identify potential turning points and understand the overall direction of the market. This Euro USD 1-hour beginner chart shows how the value of the euro changed against the US dollar throughout the day, using candlesticks to represent each hour. Green candles indicate that the price increased during that hour, while red candles show that the price decreased. The chart also includes a support level near the bottom, which acts like a price floor where the market often stops falling and begins to rise again. At the top, the resistance level acts like a ceiling where the price often struggles to move higher and may reverse downward. The purple line running through the chart is the 20-period simple moving average, which smooths out the price action by showing the average price over the last 20 hours. This moving average helps highlight the overall trend direction. Altogether, the candlesticks, support and resistance levels, and the SMA line give traders a clear picture of how the market has been moving and where it might react in the future. This Euro USD 1-hour beginner chart shows how the price of the euro moved against the US dollar throughout the day. Each candlestick represents 1 hour of trading, with the colored body showing where the price opened and closed, and a thin wick showing the highest and lowest points reached during that hour. Green candles indicate that the price gained, while red candles show that the price lost value. The chart also highlights a support level at the bottom, which acts like a floor where the price often stops falling, and a resistance level at the top, which acts like a ceiling where the price often struggles to go higher. The purple line running through the chart is the 20-period simple moving average, which smooths out price movement by showing the average price over the last 20 hours. This helps traders see the overall trend more clearly and understand whether the market is moving upward, downward, or sideways over time. This 4-hour GBP USD chart shows a strong uptrend, which is confirmed by a series of higher highs and higher lows. The price continues to climb within an ascending channel, moving above both the 20-period and 50-period moving averages, which reinforces the bullish momentum. A key breakout occurred above the 1.3200 level, shown in the highlighted yellow area, where previous resistance turned into support. This suggests that buyers are still in control. The RSI indicator at the bottom also stays above the 50 line, signaling buying strength, although a slight bearish divergence warns that momentum may be slowing. Overall, the chart suggests that the primary trading idea would be looking for buying opportunities on pullbacks toward support or toward the moving averages, while short positions are not ideal unless the price breaks below the channel and both moving averages with strong bearish momentum. This 4-hour GBP USD chart shows a strong and steady uptrend highlighted by a series of higher highs and higher lows. The price is moving inside an upward sloping channel, and it stays above both the 20-period simple moving average and the 50-period exponential moving average, which confirms continued bullish strength. Momentum is also positive, with the RSI rising and staying above the 50 level, showing strong buying pressure. The chart highlights a potential buying zone near the recent breakout area, where price may retest support or bounce off the trend line or the 20-period moving average. A bullish reversal pattern in this area would support a move back toward the previous highs. For selling, the chart suggests waiting for a clear break and close below the lower trend line and the 50-period moving average, which would signal a possible trend reversal. Overall, this chart reflects a bullish market structure, with buyers in control unless key support levels break. This 4-hour GBP/USD chart shows a strong bullish trend, highlighted by higher highs and higher lows, along with upward sloping moving averages. Both the 20-period simple moving average and the 50-period exponential moving average are pointing upward, confirming steady buying pressure. The price has been respecting the rising trend line, bouncing from it several times, which shows that buyers consistently step in at higher levels. Momentum is also positive, with the RSI staying above 50 and continuing to rise. The chart marks a breakout area where the price has moved above recent resistance, suggesting buyers are gaining control. A possible trade setup would be to look for a buy on a retest of this breakout zone, placing a stop loss below the recent swing low and targeting the next resistance level above. Overall, the chart reflects a clear bullish structure supported by strong momentum.